morning everyone. You are here to English Asia National Mathematics Day. We are exhibiting a trigonometric park.
Trigonometry basically deals with the relationship between the sides and angles of a triangle. Here we will see the Pythagoras theorem. A square plus b square is equal to c square. Here we can see the formulas of cos theta, sin theta, secant theta, cosecant theta, tan theta and cot theta. Here we can see this is a Pythagoras theorem. A square plus b square is equal to c square. Here we can see this values of cos theta, sin theta, secant theta, cosecant theta, tan theta and cot theta. Here we can see the trigonometric formulas. Here we can see the reciprocal identities. Here we can see the superhexagon to remember different formulas. Belongs to trigonometry based on this particular arrow marks. Trigonometry is used in many real life applications such as construction, navigation to calculate distance, height and angle.
Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you all a very happy National Mathematics Day. Today I would like to explain about Cartesian plane. This is the arrangement of Cartesian plane. This x-axis and this is y-axis. The point where x-axis and y-axis intersects is called origin. The four quadrants of a Cartesian plane are created by the four regions of y-axis and x-axis. This is quadrant 1, plus plus. Quadrant 2 has negative x and positive y. Quadrant 3 has negative quadrants. Quadrant 4 has positive x and negative y. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Roshni from Vidya School. Today our working model is simple interest and compound interest.
I am Purita from Vidya School. Today our working model is simple interest and compound interest. Before going to the working model, let us know what is simple interest and compound interest.
So this is our working model. So first I am taking this jar as simple interest and this jar as compound interest. The money I am taking as thermocol bubble. So first simple interest is nothing but simple interest is computed on the principal amount or loan amount. Whereas compound interest is computed on the principal on the based on the principal amount or as well as the interest accumulated on a certain period or previous period.
Simple interest is certain period is always constant interest. Compounds for every time and period. Simple interest is not constant in compound interest.
Now let us see the formulas of simple interest and compound interest. Simple interest is equal to PTR by 100, where P is equal to principal, T is equal to time, R is equal to rate of interest. Now for the compound interest is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 is equal to whole power n, where N is equal to time, P is equal to principal, R is equal to rate of interest, where A for amount is combination of principal plus interest. Now I am taking this as principal on both simple and compound interest. Now I am putting this on simple interest and compound interest.
First here I am taking the interest for this cup, both compound interest and simple interest. For the simple interest and the compound interest principles are the same. Now the second year has a schedule early year. So I am taking interest for this cup 1 by 4 cup of interest. So I am putting interest in compound interest.
Now it is third year, since the rate of interest is same, so I am adding 1 cup in simple interest. So in third year, the compound interest principles are changed, so I am adding 1.5 cup in compound interest. So look at this jars of simple interest and compound interest. So in simple interest we got this money. In compound interest the money will increase after certain period of time. So simple interest have less bubbles while comparing to compound interest. Why? Because simple interest has same principal and same interest every year. In compound interest the principal changes every year and the interest changes every year. That's why we have less bubbles in simple interest while comparing to compound interest.
What is rate of interest? The amount paying the 100 is the rate of interest. This is the for the simple interest and compound interest.
Which interest is best to borrow loan from bank, and where compound interest is growing for every year.
Good morning everyone, we are of Snowdrops. We wish you all a very happy National Mathematics Day. Today we are here to explain about laws of exponents.
X power m into x power n is equal to x power m plus n. X power m by x power n is equal to x power m minus n. X power m whole power n is equal to x power mn. x power 0 is equal to 1. X power m into y power n is equal to xy whole power m. X power m by y power m is equal to xy by whole power m. X power 1 by m is equal to m root x. Thank you.